MCQ number 6. ACF of a square minus b square and a cube minus b cube is. My dear students, you know that these are both are the formulas. First of all, we will write expression a square minus b square and convert it into the formula a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b, and a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And from these two expression we will get a minus b as a common. So the right option of the MCQ number 6 is a minus b, option number A. Okay dear students, now we will move part number 7, MCQ number 7. ACF of x square plus 3x plus 2 and x square plus 4x plus 3 and x square plus 5x plus 4 is. First we will, you can see that there are three expressions in this question. So first of all we will find the common factors of these three expressions one by one. First expression is x square plus 3x plus 2, which is equals to x square plus 2x plus x plus 2 by breaking the midterm. By breaking the midterm 3x into 2x plus 2. So after taking x as common from first two term, we will get x plus 2 and plus 1 x plus 2 by taking x plus 1 common from last two term, because there are no common factors, so we will take 1 as common. X plus 2 as common and then x plus 1. We have two factors of this expression. Now second expression x square plus 4x plus 3, which will be x square plus 3x plus x plus 3. By breaking midterm, we will take the common of x common from first two term and 1 from last two terms, and we will get these two factors x plus 3 and x plus 1. Third expression x square plus 5x plus 4, which is equals to x square plus 4x plus x, because 4x plus x is equals to 5x. Write 4 as it is, take x as common from first two and 1 is common from last two terms. We can get x plus 4 and x plus 1 as the factor of this expression. Now look at this. You can observe that the common factors of these three expressions are x plus 1, x plus 1 and x plus 1. So ACF is the x plus 1. Now we will mark the right option. Right option is x plus 1. MCQ number 8. Now we are going to discuss about the LCM, and you know that, my dear student, that LCM actually is the multiple of the common factors and the non-common factors. So LCM of these three terms, 15x square, 45xy and 30xyz is. First of all we will find the factors of these three terms like this. 15x square is equals to 3 into 5 into x into x. We will get this by prime factorization method. 15 like this one. Okay. 45 is the 45 actually is the multiple of 3 into 3 into 5 into x into y, and 30 xy is the z is the factor of 2 into 3 into 5 into x into y into z. Okay, my dear student, now we will take the common. 3 is the common in all these terms and 5 is also common. X is also common in these three terms. But x, z, 3 and 2, these are the non-common factors. First of all, we will separate the common factors. 3 into 5 into x into y. And 3 5 is 15xy. And non-common factors are 2, 3, x and z. 2 3 is 6xz. So LCM is a multiple of these two values. So we will get 6 15s are 90 x square y z, because x into x. This is the answer. Now we will mark the right answer on the book. MCQ number 8, which is right option is B. Number 9, LCM of a square plus b square and a4 minus b4 is. Solve this again on our notebook as a rough work. A square plus b square and a4 minus b4. A square plus b square write as it is. a4 minus b4 This is the product of these two values, a square minus b square into a square minus plus b square, means a plus b into a minus b. And the common factor is a square plus b square. Non-common factor is a square minus b square. And LCM is the product of these two values, so we will multiply and we will get the answer a4 minus b4. a4 minus b4 is the right answer, so we will mark it on our book. Now MCQ number 10, the product of two algebraic expression is equal to the dash of their HCF and LCM. Yes students, we have solved this question also in our exercise 6.1, that the product of two algebraic expression is always equal to the product of HCF and LCM. So mark the answer C, option number C. Today we have done only these 10 parts. My dear students, you will solve these parts on your notebook as well as. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.